Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button before you do anything else. So guys, today I'm trying out some stuff that I got from wish.com along with some Macart rainbow polygel, and I'm just showing you the swatches. The first one was the soft white or milky white, I think. The next one was the nude, and the last one was the pink. I really, looking back in hindsight, I probably should have used the pink, but instead I used the nude today. But anyways, I've already primed and prepped my nails, and then I started with some base coat from Macart, cure for 30 seconds, and now I am starting out my nails. Y'all, I don't know what's gotten into me, but I've been using forms a lot lately, so I want to use the violet from Macart, and I kind of just winged this design. I knew what colors I wanted to use, so I decided to use the violet on my pinky nail. So if any of you guys know of any good forms, please tag them in the description box because these gave me the blues. I really hate them, but I really just don't know what else works good because these had 4.8 stars on Amazon, but clearly that was a lie. But anyways, I had to start over, get another form because they just weren't sticking. I had this problem with all 5. So because of that, I only did one hand. And I guess my right hand will be looking different because I'm not finishing this mess. So anyways, I come in. This is some old glitter. I will tag this in the description box as well. I got this from Etsy. I also will let y'all see the last video where I used this glitter and made my own custom polygel. So I decided to do like a glitter ombre. This I would not recommend with the rainbow. Now the one on the right, the pink color, it mixed really easy, but the rainbow, it did not. The violet, it was really hard to mix. But anyways, I'm coming in with some Macart light pink, and I'm just doing a thin layer because I wanted this nail to be glitter, like a clear glitter. So I'm just doing a thin layer, shaping it, and then I'm going to come in with the glitter in a minute. After I cured that nail for 60 seconds, I'm coming in with my little custom mix, aka a disaster mix. Like I always let mine sit for like 10 minutes whenever I mix something. That way I can get a really good idea of what it's gonna look like. And this got really dry, hard, clumpy. It changed the entire consistency. And I even tried to mix more polygel and it was no better. It was very difficult to work with. So I wouldn't really recommend mixing this particular color with the glitter. Now the other color, after I cured it for 60 seconds, I mixed the other color. That one was way better. Like this was way easier to work with. It didn't require as much slip solution. But I'll be honest with you, it didn't come out good. But I did go back and I encapsulated it after I got done. And then right here, I'm just going to finish out my pointer finger with just violet. And then I come in with my thumbnail. Here's where it goes from bad to bad. I tried to mix these two. I've done it several times where I mix 2 different polygels and it comes out perfect, like kind of marbled. But that violet is so thick, it just wasn't mixing with this nude color. So I don't think I'll be trying that again. But like I said, at this point, y'all can see once again, these forms are just coming apart. I got really impatient. And so right here, you see me adding more violet, trying to mix it, but it was like 2 completely different consistencies. So I just kind of let it go. After I cured all of my nails, I come back in with the light pink from a cart and I just encapsulate my glitter nail so that way it can be as smooth as possible. So I filed, shaped, and buffed off camera, and now I'm coming in with my top coat. As I got to doing that middle finger, it just started looking really ugly to me, so I decided to drop some glitter on top of that nail to kind of hide whatever ugly, y'all, I don't know what that is, but it cured funny looking, so it wasn't clear ombre. I don't know. Anyways, I wasn't liking it. So I just poured some glitter on top, cured it for 30 seconds, came back in with an additional top coat. Now I'm coming in with my Parker J's Magic Mane Oil and using that as my cuticle and skin oil. And that is it. Guys, I thank y'all once again for coming back to my channel and watching. I hope that I see you on my next video. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video.